What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are headed over to Dover's. I haven't been out there in a while, so we're gonna go out there. We're gonna catch you up on what's going on out there. Also, guys, I want to say thank you to all the people who have sent in all the subscriber ride submissions. We have gotten several subscriber ride submissions, and I put some in the last video. I'm gonna put some in this video, and I want to say thank you to everybody who's sending those in. Keep sending them in. I highly enjoy getting them and sharing them. But guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a subscriber ride section at the end of my videos. You send in pictures, videos, whatever, include your name, location, if you got a YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, you got an Instagram, your Instagram, whatever. All the information, the email and everything is all down in the description. Hit me up, it's speeddaddict731@gmail.com. Send all your submissions to that email, and highly looking forward to more coming in. All right, guys, we are almost at Dover's, so we'll see you there. All right, so we're here at Dover's. The wind noise is too bad. I apologize. The wind is getting it up out here, but we have Corey's car right here. He's got it on the welds, looking good. And then of course we got Alex's car up here. Oh, look at those wheels. What are those? Rovos? Oh, it's clean. Looking good. All right, let's see who's all up in here. What is going on, guys? Oh, I hear some work going on. Caleb?
Yeah.
Did you get the Fox fixed?
Fixed.
Fixed.
Hold on. I'll show you the culprit.
Okay, show me the culprit. Alex?
I'm about to prove it.
What's going on?
Long time no see.
Yeah, I know, right? So this was the little guy that was giving us all that trouble. It said no more and
Blew the
had
cords
enough.
out. This is right off the pump, so it's like it.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Wow.
Dover called it.
Yep.
He was half asleep. Oh, that's that line.
Yep.
I was like, well, maybe it's this. He's like, no, it's that line.
Yep. Remember we talked about it? I told you that on Cody's old car, this did the same exact thing.
It did, really?
Yeah, this happened to Houston. This happened to him, and he replaced it with another hose, and then the hose that he replaced it with kept popping off, and he had to drop the tank several times. But the original culprit was this exact hose. No, it's not original, but it was this exact hose that was the culprit.
Yep,
and it might be the original, I don't know, it's hard to say, but it was this exact culprit that did it in for him the very first time.
Yep, that's the little bastard right there. Caused all that issue last night because of that.
Yeah, because then, yeah, that's why it would start and run very little, but it didn't have enough fuel flow to actually run.
It killed me though, because after it was cold and it sat for a while, it drove itself on the trailer. It was running back.
That kind of made me saying maybe pump. I was like, but it's, you know, that's why I said until you drop the tank, look at it, you're not gonna know.
Unreal.
What y'all got going on with this thing?
I got to change the brake pedal.
Change the brake pedal.
Maximum Motorsport.
Sir. Has the engine stuff got back from powder coating the supercharger and all that yet? Nope, still ain't got it back.
He's not doing the supercharger.
He's not?
The guy said it was going to be, he was going to have to totally disassemble it, and he didn't want to.
Oh, so it's going to stay chrome?
Yeah.
Ah, that's what I wanted anyway. Great. Cody, where's Blue?
What's that?
Where's Blue?
What's that?
The car.
What is that?
An 04 GT?
Not really.
What is what? I know what that is. Precision Turbo.
Been wearing it for a while.
You want to be sponsored bad by Precision Turbo.
No, there might be something with the Precision on it in the future.
Oh, we need to talk.
Nope. Nope. Let them wonder.
No, we don't need to talk on here. We need to talk. I need to figure out.
Let them wonder.
100% sure, 100% or iffy.
Nah. I'm 100%.
Okay.
Depends on everything else, how it works out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it might be a Honda. Might might be 100.
He wants to go slow. Alright, so let's see what's going on in here. Okay, got the, looks like they got the Dakota Digital going in, and they're doing a bunch of wiring, so. How much do we lack on this? So guys, he wrapped, this has got the 2-step in it, right? It's all wrapped up. Man, that's nice.
What 2-step?
What? It ain't, well, I don't know what you're talking about now. I like that. It's a lot cleaner than it's all sitting out. The what? Uh-oh, the heat exchanger's in. I didn't even see that. Let's get down here and look at it. Oh. Yes. You got the pump mounted?
Yeah, it's over there.
Okay.
Everything's gonna be right there. Tank's gonna be there, the pump's right below it.
The pumps. You got that thing hidden. Oh, nice. That's basically where they put it at in the...
Yeah, you can see everything's just gonna be right here.
Yeah, except it's on the other side, but yeah, that's basically where it, yeah, that's nice.
Out of this, go this way.
Mm-hmm.
So everything will be right here.
Man.
And they started covering the heater hoses. See?
Oh yeah.
Put some heat shrink over the end of it.
Man.
Also covered this side of the harness too.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting there.
Man, it's coming together nice. Every build just gets a little more. I'm loving it.
Good to see my computer down
No, you change your... Is this what you're gonna do from now on,
there.
or?
That's for Gen 2, yeah.
That's for Gen 2?
Yeah, I don't think I can do a Gen 1 like that.
Okay,
Gen
so
2, I like the way that works.
the Gen 1 you put up in here,
Yeah.
and then the Gen 2 you're
Yeah,
putting right there.
Factory Gen 2 computer mount.
Oh yeah, it is, ain't it?
Yes.
Okay. Man. Boy, I cannot wait to see this thing on the road. This thing is going to be evil. Now, what wheels is he going with on this thing? He hasn't decided 100% yet?
I don't think so.
So he had RTSs going to go on it, and now he's selling those.
Yeah, he chopped down fleeting and made front loaders out of them.
Okay.
Still ain't made no decision.
Still made no decision. Of course, it's got the bare brakes. I ran 727 last night.
So you got 550 horsepower.
I got 535 horsepower, and I'm also 1,000 pounds heavier than you. It's cry me a river.
Yeah, it's good to see you too, buddy.
So, guys, if you caught his last video, he was talking to you about the hose that broke. What he did was he was scared of running my car, so he went in and made a pre-cut.
No, what the actual story is, Ken sabotaged my car so that he wouldn't lose. What's up, dude?
What's going on, homie?
Man, we got progress.
Dude, you see this right here?
Yeah,
I love it.
Freaking beautiful.
I love it, man.
Guys, I'm gonna get into this in a minute, but Dover has been
Every
killing it.
build, he goes one step further.
a little far.
I love it. Okay, guys, so Caleb is trying to decide, and he doesn't want to make a decision, so let's help him out. Should he put this Cobra Jet intake on his Fox body? Leave a comment down below. This is another one that Dover has been working on for a gentleman. Oh, that thing's cool, dude. So it came in, just basically didn't run?
Locked up.
It was locked up? So what'd you do to it?
Poured some stuff in it.
Just freed it up, got it going? Yeah, okay.
New fuel tank.
So it just locked up from sitting for a long time. Okay. That's awesome. This thing needs an LS. Don't it?
434.
LS?
Hey, it's already got more motor than it's got steering and brakes. So.
Does it? Speaking of LS, you have something over there in the other shop. Go check it out. All right, guys, this is, what year is this, Dover? 84 Silverado. And they took the push rod in it. If you caught Foxcast video, he's been kind of showing some stuff on it. But they are putting this 6.0?
6.0.
They are putting this 6.0 LS engine in it. So this is your first LS swap, Dover, right?
Yeah.
This ain't your first one?
Yeah.
You've done another LS swap?
68 Camaro.
How come I don't know about this?
Long time ago, man.
Long time ago?
4 kids.
Before me? Okay, that's been a while back. All right, anyway, so this is not his first. This is his second LS swap. And going in this truck, man, this thing is sweet.
No, it's just for overflow. You know, you get too much gas.
So we'll get you more footage of it as progress starts making way in this thing. Is he going with long tubes or anything on it?
It's kind of different.
It's kind of like a, not really a shorty, not really a long tube.
Mid-length, I guess.
Okay. Nice. Do what? Hey, Caleb.
Cody's eating pork chops.
Yeah, I know. I seen it.
There's not gonna be any left if y'all don't get them.
Yep, I know.
He said they're really good.
It's all good.
I know they're good.
All right, guys. So we are going to go down the road in Corey's car. He's going to give me a ride down the road in it, and I've been waiting for this, guys. So as you've seen, this thing moves out pretty good. How good? We don't know. You know, the track always tells the tale, and we will be out there hopefully soon to put this thing down the drag strip and see what it'll run. But guys, I want to show y'all something. Look at these seats. Put the S550 seats in this car. Now you want to talk about a comfortable ride. It's very comfortable. The car, you know, to be pretty much a drag car for most parts, it's, you know, with these seats and the way it rides, it's a very streetable car, and which he is going to drive it on the street, you know. But I'm highly looking forward to getting it on the drag strip and seeing what it'll do. All right, guys, so that's going to pretty much wrap the video up, but stay tuned for the subscribers ride coming up now. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.